Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo and place it right into the middle of the paragraph. Sometimes you open book is photo right into the middle of the paragraph. You want to exactly how them do it and all that. So I'm going to guide you on a way how you can actually do that. Right. So the first thing you want to come right up here to the tab. You're going to click on insert. Right. When you click on insert, to definitely bring down the tab, the ribbon instead. Right. You can either go online or on the computer. So I'm going to click here on picture right here. So you're going to take me directly to my desktop. Now when I go to the desktop, now I'm going to come right over here and click desktop also. So it's going to bring up all of these right here. So I'm going to be selecting it from all folders. So I'm going to click all folder. I'm going to come right here. Notice it says insert and cancel. I'm going to click on insert, which is going to open the folder. Notice I'm going to click on this photo right here and then I click on insert. Now when I click on insert, this is where it actually jump on. So in order for me to get it in the middle, I have two options. I can come right up here, that's wrap text, right click and click on the word tight. I can come right here, also put the cursor on it, right click, come down right here to wrap text, and notice it's the word tight. Now I put on the word tight now. So I want to scroll the document. Here I'm going to actually go up like that. Right, let me get it up to the top. Right, if you notice the photo actually fits right into the paragraph so far. But what if I want to give it a little formatting? I can actually come up here, notice, and click on this pointer right here. If I put the round one right here, you notice, or it's here right around the paragraph right here. If I put this one right here, you notice you see the word after around the paragraph. If I do this one, you notice it does the same. Alright, and when I put, you notice it's actually stay right around, right? And if I have this one right here, you notice, oh, quite well fit into the paragraph. I can actually carry down if I want. I can actually put it a little smaller if I want, just like that. Right, so if and when you open a book, you see photo inside of the book in the middle like this, this is exactly how them do it. Right, so very important there. Right, you can actually ship it up into the paragraph if you want it. You can get anywhere at all you want it. Fit around. If you don't feel like you want that format, you can actually come up here. I click on this one, just the same. Otherwise, you can choose anyone if you like you want to choose. Just the same. That work. Just the same. Notice all the word form around each of them. So you can actually test out some of these in case if you want to. Depends on the type of photo. Right? You can actually test them out, can fit quite nice inside of it. Notice. Just the same. Yes, so you can test the one and see which one works best for you. And all of that. Good. And this. Just like that. Very important right there. I'm going to check with this one. Alright. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.